everyone, welcome to our first lesson together. Today we're going to have a brief introduction to ecology. So we're going to talk about the spheres of Earth. Here you have a handout that you should be filling in as we go through the Google Slides, and you only have to write down anything that you see on the slides. Anything that I say or explain further, you don't have to write unless it helps you understand. It's completely up to you. So let's get started. So if we were to look at this Earth from space, it would just look like a little blue dot. But as we get closer to it, there are a few major things that we would notice first. So here we have the green here, which is the land. Then we have the ocean, or all the water. And then we have ice and a thin layer around the Earth as well, of gases, and also with the clouds swirling around in it. So that kind of gives us a representation of the spheres of Earth. So the atmosphere here was that thin layer of gas, and then the hydrosphere is the water, and the geosphere or lithosphere is any land on the Earth. And the biosphere here is any life on Earth. So first we have the atmosphere, which we can see in this picture that it extends upwards for hundreds of kilometers. And basically it's just a layer of gases. So it's mostly nitrogen and oxygen, but you'll also have some argon, water, vapor, and carbon dioxide in there as well. And one of the reasons why it's crucial for life on Earth is because it acts like a blanket. So what it does during the day, it'll prevent temperatures from getting too hot. And then at night, it'll prevent temperatures from getting too cold. Because without these with extreme temperatures, we would not be able to have any life on Earth. Another thing the atmosphere does is it blocks incoming solar radiation. So this is very good for us humans because it prevents things like skin cancer. So really you can think of it as this beach umbrella that we have here. It has the same kind of function. Okay, next we have the lithosphere. This layer is a lot thinner than the atmosphere. So this one is only up to 150 kilometers in thickness, and it's the rocky outer shell of Earth. So the lithosphere consists of the rocks and mountains that make up the mountains, ocean floors, and the rest of Earth's solid landscape. Here we have a picture of the ocean floor. So again, we don't count the water, just really the rocky parts of the Earth. And we have the volcano here as well. And it's also not just things that we see. Like we said, it's up to 150 kilometers in thickness. So it does go deep down into the Earth for quite a long time as well. Next, we have the hydrosphere. So as we said, this is all the water on Earth. And then the oceans actually count for 97% of the water on Earth. But it also includes the lakes, ice, groundwater, and clouds. Finally, we have the biosphere. So the biosphere is any life on Earth. However, one thing that's important is to realize that it's not only what we see. So here, I like this picture because, yes, it shows fish, birds, animals on the Earth, but it also shows that there are things like microorganisms that live kilometers deep into the lithosphere, but they're still alive, so they count as well. Here we have animals hibernating, so just remembering that it's not only what we can see. And then finally, for this life to be able to be on Earth, they do have to have all conditions of life met. They have to have enough resources for all individuals of the same species to stay alive. So because of that, there is a lot of competition going on between individuals. And we're going to look at other factors that might affect population changes in the next lesson. So thank you for coming. That's it for today, and have a great day.